Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. It's Christmas Eve today, and I want to get a video out for you guys before all the holiday stuff kicks in. I'm gonna be sharing a really healthy juice recipe that's great for if you're recovering from adrenal fatigue and anxiety. It really helped me when I was going through it. Now, it's not something that is like a magic pill or anything, but it does help you feel better. It's great for your health. It's very nutritious and it nurtures your body, and that's always great when you're trying to recover from any of that stuff. I'll be sharing that recipe with you, and then I will also be sharing a couple medicinal teas that I drank a lot that really helped with the adrenal fatigue recovery and overall relaxation. It's not just like a regular herbal tea. It's actually got herbs in it that are specifically for like deep regeneration of your energy and vitality. I actually have reviewed those herbs in actual supplement form. I'll link that video here. You can check that out. But today these are teas with these herbs, so you can drink them as teas and all the time. Okay, so let me go ahead and get into the juice video first. It's really simple. It's MOS. It's just me making the juice, and I'll talk you through it. And let's get started on that right now. Show you guys the medicinal tea that I was talking about. So it's by a brand called Organic India. The main ingredient is holy basil, one of the best herbs if you're trying to recover from adrenal fatigue. It is literally good for everything under the sun. These are caffeine free, so you don't have to worry about being stimulated by caffeine. They come in so many different flavors, but these are the two. I've tried all of them. These are the two that I found are most helpful. One is Tulsi, which is holy basil, with ashwaganda. If you've watched my other videos, holy basil and ashwaganda are two really powerful herbs when you're trying to reboost your vitality, your overall well-being. They are specifically great for adrenal fatigue recovery. They put them together in a tea. I mean, it's genius. And you can drink this all the time. I mean, I guess you could overdo it if you drank it like 100 times a day or something like that. But there was times where I was drinking this 3 times a day, and I was totally fine. It's very mild, but as you take adaptogens, that's what holy basil and ashwaganda, they're adaptogenic herbs. The longer you take them, the more powerful they are in helping you recover and regenerate your vitality. That's one. The other one is holy basil with sweet rose. For some reason, this flavor with rose, it's super relaxing. It's got this magical flavor. It even says it on there. What is it? Yeah. Stress relief and magical. It's funny because you feel a little magical. Like, I don't know about you, but scents really affects my mood. So like essential oils really are helpful for me, and I think the scents from this tea really help me relax. So the rose kind of just makes you calm, and then you've got the holy basil. So these two are awesome. You can have them hot. Sometimes I would make them and then ice them and drink them cold. It made a difference. Okay, you have to be very in tune with your body to gradually notice the difference, but I do. When I drink these, when I was going through it, they've helped me a lot, and especially if I have an episode, I'm just trying to lay in bed and calm down and feel better. Sipping on a hot cup of one of these teas really helped me, and I really did feel a difference. The last thing I want to share with you guys is a very simple kind of juice tonic recipe, or they call it, a lot of people call it Adrenal cocktail. It's very simple. I'm actually not going to do a demo. I'm just going to tell you how to do it. It's so easy. You get Himalayan sea salt, cream of tartar. It comes in any spice section. It's called cream of tartar. It's got very high potassium, and any kind of juice that you want as a base. Oh my gosh. You would choose juice that are higher in vitamin C. I believe orange juice, pineapple juice, mango juice, lemon juice. You can Google it, I'm sure. So just get a high vitamin C juice as a base. All you do is you add a teaspoon of cream of tartar for the potassium, the juice for the vitamin C, and a pinch of sea salt. When your adrenals are going through rebalancing and you're trying to recharge them or heal them, they need a lot of salt, good salt like sea salt with all the minerals and with all the minerals in it. And you need potassium, so you use the cream of tartar, and then you need the adrenals really do well with high amounts of vitamin C. I've also talked about that in another video. So you mix all three of those together, drink it a few times a day. It helps you, feel better, and it helps your adrenals recover. What I'm sharing with you today are just daily things that you can do. They're just natural foods and drinks, juices, teas that they're not supplement or anything like that. They're just home recipes that can really benefit from for you if you're recovering from any of those things I mentioned: adrenal fatigue, hormonal imbalances, you're just stressed out, overtraining, anxiety, and stuff like that. Those really work for me. If you want to give them a try, feel free. I really think they would do well for you too if you're going through the same thing as I am. Again, just an update real quick. I have fully recovered. I'm not suffering from these episodes or crashes anymore. Healing is definitely possible if you really focus and do all the right things and take care of yourself. Definitely get checked out with a doctor first and go from there. Do your research. Make sure you read up on all the things. Talk to as many people that has gone through it as possible. Those really help because the more information you have, the more you know what to do, and the less stressed you are about it, then, and that in itself is gonna really help you. I'm loving all the comments and questions and the support. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Help me grow my channel more and more. I'm hoping to reach my 500 subscriber mark early 2020, and then I'm gonna hit for the 1,000 by summer. I'm generally doing between 1 to 3 a week. I started doing more in the beginning, but I think my channel is now full with tons of content, and that I'm going to focus more on the quality of the videos and the information that everyone's commenting on and looking for. So I'll probably be doing anywhere between 1 and 3 videos a week on a consistent basis. And I hope you enjoyed my video today and you found my stuff helpful. Let me know in the comment section of more things that you wanted to see, you want me to answer. I'm putting out all kinds of different videos on fitness, my healthy lifestyle, the stuff I'm passionate in, as well as more videos on the adrenal fatigue and anxiety recovery. Have a great Christmas and great Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye.